Hi guys, today we want to discuss some of the ways to make money in property during this bullish market through property renovation. Let's find out more, but first, coffee. So what is the breakdown of the costs? So we have the purchase price at $225,000 and the cost of the purchase is about $11,000. So that's include your settlement agencies, stamp duty, rates, and any government charges. So the total initial cost is $236,000. So how much did we spend on renovations? So that worked out to be about $54,000. That counts from your bathroom, from removing, installing new bathroom, that's about 10 grand. Your kitchen, removing and installing new kitchen is about $9,300. Your carpet, we spent about $3.5 grand. The blinds is about $1,000. Fixing the doors is about $1,000 again. The paint for the whole house is about $5,000. The lights would be about $2,000. When we sell the property, we have to pay the selling agent fee, which is about $10,000. And other costs, including any handiworks or miscellaneous items, is about $12,000. So your total renovation worked out to be about $54,406. So your total cost, including purchase price, worked out to be $290,406. So, and we managed to sell it on the market for $320,000, and we make about $29,594, or about 10% profit in about 3 months' time. Out of this experience of doing renovation, the most challenging part is to find which item that we want, because there's so many varieties of them. For example, what sort of colors or what colors that you need to paint your property, or what sort of gates that you want to install on the properties. Or once you've done a couple of this renovation, then obviously you have a template that you can just copy, so it will be easier through time on your second and third projects. Let me know if you have any other questions with regards to renovating your property, and hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next time.